In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this neon text effect in Photoshop. To get started, I just added a dark background image along with the text layer to a project. Let's begin by making sure our text layer is selected and then selecting the text tool. Up here, change the color to either a light blue or light pink. If you want to follow my example, just paste in this value. Then right-click your text layer and select Duplicate Layer. Select your top layer and go down here to click the FX button. Select Inner Glow. In the pop-up, make sure your color is set to white. You also want to use the softer technique and set the source to center. Now just play around with adjusting the opacity, choke, and size settings until your text looks like mine. Your numbers will likely be a little different depending on the size of your text. Once you're finished, select the bottom layer. Go down to the FX button and select Outer Glow. In here, set the blend mode to Vivid Light. Change the color to match your text or choose one just a little bit lighter. I know what color I want, so I'm just going to paste in this value. Now just adjust the opacity, spread, size, and range properties until you get a look similar to mine. Again, the numbers will probably be a little different for you based on the size of your text. Okay, and there I have a really nice looking neon text effect in Photoshop. Thanks for watching and see you next time.